Welcome back. Today, we're tackling a common problem that many of us have faced, a damaged water hose. Instead of throwing it away and buying a new one, which this one costs about 60 to 70 bucks, I'm going to show you a simple, cost-effective solution. And that solution is using a metal repair mender kit that's available at any home improvement store for about $5. So as you can see, this hose has a hole in it. And while it might seem like it's time to toss it out, a quick repair can save you money and extend the life of your hose. Here's what you'll need. You'll need a metal repair mender kit, a pair of scissors or utility knife or shears, and a screwdriver. Make sure to get the right size mender for your hose. In this case, my hose is a 5/8 inch hose, so I'm going to get a 5/8 inch mender kit. First, you'll need to cut out the damaged section of the hose. Make sure to cut a clean, straight edge on both sides of the hole. This will ensure a tight fit with the mender. Next, take one end of the hose and insert it into the metal mender. Push it in as far as it will go to ensure a secure connection. Now, slide the clamp over the hose and tighten it with a screwdriver. Make sure it's snug. Repeat the same process with the other end of the hose. Insert it into the mender, slide the clamp over, and tighten it with a screwdriver. Remember, it's crucial to buy the right size mender for your hose diameter to ensure a proper fit. And that's it. Your hose is now repaired and ready to use. By spending just a few minutes and a few dollars, you've saved yourself the cost of a new hose. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button for more videos like these.